Affiliate marketing offers incredible earning potential, and Fezamarket provides a platform to help you reach your financial goals. The first step was joining the Fezamarket affiliate program. It's free and offers up to 30% commission on various products. To make $20,000, I focused on high-demand niches, selecting categories like electronics, beauty, and home gadgets. Creating quality content was key. I wrote in-depth reviews, how-to guides, and made engaging video content. To generate sales, I drove targeted traffic using SEO, paid ads, social media, and collaborations with influencers. Once successful, I scaled my efforts by analyzing performance, reinvesting earnings, and outsourcing tasks. After hitting $20,000, I optimized my strategy with A/B testing, email list building, and retargeting ads. Reaching $20,000 in affiliate marketing is possible with the right strategy and effort. Fezamarket makes it easy to start. Sign up at Fezamarket today and apply the strategies I use to achieve affiliate marketing success in 2025.